aren't enjoying this, are you?
No, I'm having a great time. Keep going.
What radio station would play these?
What do you
That's
get
a
when you
really
cross
horrible
a
joke.
Chihuahua with pepper and a shovel?
What?
A hot diggity dog.
I've never heard such fucking gay
Dad-
jokes in my life.
Dad, you...
I'm sorry, I hate to bust your balls. I've never heard such gay shit.
You actually took the time. You wrote down every single one of these jokes.
I liked them, and so I wrote them
For
down.
like Sarah, maybe. Keep going.
What do you call a pig who knows karate?
What? Pork chops.
There you go. I think the lady next door got that one.
Pork chops. What the hell, man? Seriously? Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Oh, keep going. Pork chops.
Oh, God.
I've never heard such...
Almost choked on my beer.
I've never heard such stupid shit in my life.
What do you call a pig who... Oh, sorry.
I know the answer to that one.
How many beers have you drank?
Oh, God.
3 empty beers.
Oh.
Oh.
Alright, next one. Come on, next one.
What makes your mouth sad?
What makes your mouth sad?
Yeah,
Having to give a blowjob.
a tongue depressor.
Oh, jeez. Wow.
What's brown and sounds like a bell?
Your ass.
Dude, that's totally true.
I don't know.
All right, I'll ask that one again to give you a moment.
I already know the answer.
What's brown and sounds like a bell?
Oh, jeez. I don't know. What?
Dung. Oh, shit. Wasn't that good?
How much more do we have to endure?
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, is that it?
Oh, I think there's one more.
He even stapled them together.
There we go.
Hey, look, he put blue dots next to the good ones.
Oh, this is a good one.
Oh, what do you mean? The other ones were awesome.
All right, I'll close with this one.
Alright.
It's like fucking David Letterman over here.
All right. All right.
I don't know if I can. I
There's
don't know if
three of us here, so this will be a good one.
I don't know if I can handle this much more.
Three Bible salesmen. Three Bible salesmen are at a convention where one with a stutter received a first place trophy for selling the most Bibles. The other two men asked him, how did he do it? He said, I knock on the door, and I say, would you like to buy a Bible? If not, I will read it to you.
Are you fucking serious?
Of course, the people don't want him to read it, so they buy it.
Well, I appreciate
Really?
you explaining it to us. I appreciate the explanation. I wouldn't have got it without
No,
that.
every year, Dr. Laura Schlesinger,
Who the hell is that?
on the radio, has she's a psychologist.
And she tells those jokes?
This is
I
the
don't
reason why
know.
she's on AM radio, buddy.
At Thanksgiving time, she allows people to call in and tell their jokes. And so I wrote those down because...
That's what people call in with?
Well, that's just some of them. I wrote those down because I was preparing to go to Thanksgiving with Michelle and her family. And everybody was supposed to bring some silly things to read.
And you read those to her family?
I read those at Turkey Day.
In front of her family? Wasn't that embarrassing?
No, actually Sarah was there and she helped me. It was hilarious. Everybody laughed.